Hello everyone, it's camping time.
Hey y'all, it's Shanna from the 5M Family Homestead. We are coming to you from camping on Lake Texoma. We took social distancing to the extreme and got out of our county that we live in. And we've been here for 3 days and tonight's the final night. We always try to do something fun for dinner and desserts. And tonight we are going to be making campfire nachos. And we wanted to show y'all how easy it is and how you can do it very quickly while you're camping and everyone can just kind of dig in. So y'all come along with us. All right, nacho time. This is what you're gonna need to do the nachos. It should be very much a given what you need, but I'll go ahead and go over it with you. Chips, these, a big metal pan. It doesn't have to be this big, but Tobin, when they do catering at his work, he'll bring these home, and we had a ton of them at home, and I thought this would be great to put the nachos in because it also has a lid to it, which you're gonna need to keep the heat in and to warm up everything once you put it on the fire. Taco meat, all I did was I browned 2 pounds of ground beef, and then I put a packet of taco seasoning in it. I did that beforehand. If you wanted to maybe cook it before you came out camping and just put it in the refrigerator, then you would have it already cooked. I ran out of time, so I didn't do that, but we just brought our electric skillet outside and we cooked it and we're done. Cheese and beans of your choice. I would prefer black beans, but Tobin doesn't like black beans, so we went with pinto beans. And this is basically going to be a dump in the pan and heat them up kind of recipe. All that's going to go on the campfire part is your chips, your meat, and your cheese.
Beans.
And beans, yes. If you wanted to, you could add your tomatoes and avocados and warm them up too. We do not like those things warm, but you could do it if you wanted to. So for now, we're just going to do the chips, the meat, and the cheese, and the beans. And then inside, we have all of our fixings. We have lettuce, tomato, sour cream, jalapenos, and all of that goodies. This is an important step, y'all. That's important. Okay. Now, tell me when. Are you ready? Okay. Now we're just gonna kind of
drizzle.
That's a good word. The taco meat over the top of said nachos. Nacho chips. I don't have nachos yet. That's what we're making. I do think if you had used 1 full bag of chips, you're gonna need 2 pounds of ground meat, because this is, I'm almost thinking we could have done 3 pounds. But
that's all the campsite friends over there. There's kids from 3 campsites there. They've all made friends while we've been here.
are they 6 feet apart?
No, and I don't give a crap.
Joking. Now the cheese part. You can use as little or a lot of as you wanna. We like a lot of cheese, so I'm gonna use, we had a half a package left over from the other night for dinner, and I have a full package here, and I'm gonna use every bit of it. Just sprinkle it evenly across it. You could do like a pepper jack cheese. Like,
yeah.
That would be really good. And we should have, because our kids will eat stuff like that. Maybe a mixture of it if you wanted something spicy. Okay.
That's good.
Don't be like me and forget the beans. I would have put the beans on the first, the chips and then the meat, but I forgot. So I'm gonna just put them on one side because our kids do not like any sort of beans. So I'm gonna use my finger that is probably not clean and kind of spread them out. Okay, ready? Shot 2. Woo-hoo, look at that. Now we're gonna put the lid on and take it over to the campfire.
So we swap places again, so I can do the fire part, because I like playing with fire. We got our dessert already going in the Dutch oven here. We're gonna treat this just like a Dutch oven. So we're gonna put some of the coals out on the bottom, and then put some coals on top. If you don't have one of these, charcoal starter.
Quit hitting it. I mean, we've got a firefighter that's next door to us, so I mean, I guess that's good, but you're being a little irresponsible right now.
Okay. Think that's too many?
No.
We'll put those on the bottom. And so we'll probably put, what, about 10 or 12 on the bottom?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna set this right on top of it. That.
I wouldn't do a whole lot on the top. You aren't wanting to, you're not cooking these, you're just kind of heating them up.
That's good. So probably got about half on top, half on bottom. We're not cooking them. Everything just needs to be heated up. We'll probably, I'm guessing we're gonna give it about 10 or 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And we're gonna check it, and they're probably gonna be done. If not, we'll go a little bit longer with them. All right, guys. So we think they're done. So let's take a look and see. I would say they're done. All right, guys. So that's how we make campfire nachos. Like Shannon said earlier, we are going to, you can put any fixings on there you want to, sour cream, avocados, hot sauce. I'm gonna put jalapenos on mine, and this will be just, we'll probably all as a family just kind of eat it directly out of here. May make a plate or two for somebody, but this is a super easy, quick, fun way to make a dinner while you're camping. So thank y'all for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and we'll see y'all again. Why don't you put something like right here so you can dip it? There you go.
Some over there. Well, what if I want more, Mom?
Go.